Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, I'm gonna say thank you for always coming back to watch the videos on my channel. um Thank you. May you continue commenting, liking, subscribing as usual guys. Help me reach that 1,000 subscribers. I'll be very grateful. Yeah, so today guys, like I promised last time, I'm gonna check up on the field. Yeah, I'm gonna check up on the field because last time I saw those things, I don't know what you call it, in the field of the soybeans. So I want to check up today how it is because the soybeans was sprayed. So I want to check if those things are finished, if they're dead or what. Yeah. So as you can see in the background, they've started weeding the grass. There was so much grass over here. So don't forget guys to subscribe as you watch the videos on the channel, yeah, and invite your friends and families as well. Yeah. So the maize has really grown. It has fully grown in the beans as well. Soon it's gonna start you can see I think almost the whole field of beans it's got flowers ready to start bearing beans. And the maize, wow, the maize is really grown. I'm sure this year we're gonna have a lot of maize. Oh, I forgot guys to show you the sweet potatoes. This is a long line of sweet potato. Ah. Jesus. This is a whole line of sweet potatoes. Yeah. Let me just jump on the other side. The beans, almost all of the beans has flowers. I don't know why on that side the beans look it looks a bit kind of yellow, like there's something is lacking, and I really don't know what's lacking. I don't know if it's or maybe it's too much of the heat, I don't know. But anyway, it's looking good. Just love how the maize has grown. A whole lot field of maize. It's still types of maize that we planted this year. There's yellow maize and white maize. Yellow and white maize. Right now I'm just working in between of the sweet potatoes and the beans. So let me just check on the guys that are doing the groundnuts. They are molding the groundnuts to put in more soil on the groundnuts. The purples look so good. In the new orchard, it looks so good. Let's get and check on them. Groundnuts. Groundnuts. Let's see the beans. So there's also this line of beans here. This is how they are molding the groundnuts, guys. If you hear molding, this is what we call molding. This is what they call molding. They like put more of the soil to the groundnuts, and I think they're just weeding, yeah. The weeding and molding at the same time. You can see on the other side, they've not started, so you can see the difference, yeah. You can see the difference. This side they've not started yet, but only on this side it started. Let's take a closer view of the maize. The maize has really grown. I love these. So, yeah, this is how the field looks like now. Wow, this one looks so big. Looks a big bunch of groundnuts. I've been gotten a container of water. So the guys are busy weeding and molding. Say hello. That's my cousin there. Busy, busy. Busy, busy. One Miranda. Hello. How are you? Okay. So the guys are busy modding there. So this side, they've not started yet. Yeah. They've not started yet. Let's just head for the sunflower or the soybeans. This looks good. It looks like a big bag of groundnuts. Oh, I never knew that this was beans. It looks nice. It's growing up so good. So this is what the field of groundnuts end from. Here to that here, there. From this side up to that side where they may start from. That's where the portion of groundnuts end from. Otherwise, it is, yeah, it is kind of a big portion. So welcome to the soybeans. I'm trying to see first. I don't want to get in and see those things again. Otherwise I'm gonna run away. Okay, it's much better for me to walk in because they're not all that close. They're not all that close. I think the soybeans is really get much time to grow. Otherwise, the sunflower, this sunflower, I remember the time we were replanting the sunflower. The soybeans was already up, but sunflower looks like it's catching up and it's been growing more than soybeans. Just check on this. See what I'm saying? The sunflower looks to be it's growing faster than the soybeans. Yeah, I know it's because they're two different crops. So yeah, guys. So they were saying I know the reason why I can't compare these two crops, the soybeans and the sunflower, because they're two different crops. Yeah, and the soybeans is not meant to like grow that much to the extent the way the sunflower grows. Yeah? But you can just see, guys, how the sunflower is coming up. Can you imagine the whole field looking yellow, the flowers? Wow, let's just walk through. Hello, sunflower. Hello, Sunny. It looks so nice. It's really grown. I was just here. I think 4 days ago. It's almost my height. Wow. You can see there's a bee and some other insect. Sure, they're attracted to the color, and they must be getting some nectar or whatever. Yeah, it really looks nice. I'm really looks nice. So all this is a field of sunflower, guys. Yeah. Oh, this is sunflower. Start from there, you can see there's a different sunflower, and that's soybeans. Oh, this is sunflower. Let's get closer to the bigger ones. Look at this. Look at this. Are these the seeds? These look like the seeds. We don't have to take much time to come and start harvesting because to be eaten by the birds. We're gonna eat everything. Oh, let me just smell it. Smells pure oil. Yeah. So this is a field of sunflower, guys. Oh, it's grown so much. It's really grown that I'm afraid to reach that side. You can see. You can see, guys, how much the sunflower has grown. It's grown so much. And I'm putting on shorts so the one, the trousers, or a legging or something like that. Could have been much better. Otherwise, the field really looks good, guys. The field of sunflower, it really looks good. I like it. It's a hot and sunny day. Yeah. Just look how good this side it looks. Sunflower right in the rain looks good. Looks so good. Oh wow. Can you imagine the whole field is got the sunflower up there and the whole field is yellow. I think that's the next stage that I will show, guys. I think that's the next stage that I will show now from today. The next video is gonna be showing you how the whole field is gonna look when the sunflowers bloomed. It's got the sunflowers. I'm really afraid to cross on this side. The sunflower is just too thick. I can't walk through. No, you can't. You can't walk through. And there, the building is continued. Oh, you can see people are busy building. Busy building. Let's walk to the let's check on the what's that? The ground. I hope I won't be itching by the time I reach home with this first. So guys, this is how good the sunflower is doing. Yeah, this is how good it has got up. I'm really happy because we're gonna have a lot of oil. We have a lot of oil and a lot of sunflower mesh for the chickens and the soybeans as well. Yeah, so just happy, just so happy. Yeah, just so happy with the field. Just so happy. But the sunflower is really caught like this. Oh, the groundnuts is not, they're not done yet. We're done with the groundnuts. It's really a hot day, guys. It's so hot, like super hot. Let's see. They still got quite a big portion of groundnuts to finish up here, because this part is still in a lot of grass. So you can see the difference. You can see there, you can see that looks clear because they've weeded the grass over that side, yeah. And this side you can tell how much the groundnuts has so much grass in it. I'm sure tomorrow, Monday, they're gonna continue with weeding in the groundnuts. Because it looks like a bigger portion still got so much grass. Yeah. So guys, as you're watching, as I'm updating you on the fields, don't forget please to subscribe, like, comment and share. I really appreciate as we grow the channel together, guys. Without you, I'm nothing. I can't do it by myself. Yeah, so let's just invite friends, share the video so that you can reach out to other people as well, so that they can subscribe as well. Yeah, so this year we're gonna have groundnuts. Yeah, I know some of the places they look there are gaps in some of the places, but I think it's much better, and I think we're gonna have some groundnuts. Harvesting time is the best. As it is right now, it's so much work to do, so much work to put in. It's weeding after weeding, yeah. So yeah, it might look like this, but when it's time to harvest, believe me, it's the best part ever. Harvesting time. But you got so much to eat. You got the groundnuts. You can boil them, you can roast them, you can crush them and add to your relish, especially the vegetables. And I don't know how other people cook relish, because there are a lot of relish that you can add groundnuts, but most of the relish that I know that you can add groundnuts, for me mostly it's the vegetables. Not all vegetables, there's some vegetables that I like to add groundnuts, crushed groundnuts. Yeah, and so yeah, this is what I love about farming, because you put in the work, you harvest, yeah, you benefit. So that's a good part of farming. Yeah, that's what I love about farming. It's not like maybe you're just doing something that something that won't make sense, or something that's not gonna benefit you. Yeah, sometimes like last year we experienced a drought, but at least we had some maize. Yeah, we ate some fresh maize, and We had some maize that we preserved for crushing for mini meal, cooking staple food in Shima. At least we had some maize, except just from buying. Yeah, because mostly if you don't have maize, you've not sold maize, which means you need to buy milli meal. Yeah, so for us farmers, it's good because we preserve our maize. Yeah, it's either if the maize is too much, we sell. Yeah, we sell to like people who are really in need of the maize because they need to crush the maize and have milli meal. Yeah, so it's important to have maize. I hear people's voices. Who are they? Can't see anyone. Am I by myself in this field? Looks like. Yeah, so that's about farming, guys. I can hear someone talking. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, so that's about farming, guys. Farming is good, very good. You just plant the crops that you know that you're gonna benefit from the crops, like cassava. Others also do plant a sorghum. I hope in the near future we're gonna try out planting sorghum and see how good sorghum is as well. If it's good market for our country Zambia, then sorghum definitely we're gonna do sorghum because there's just so much space. Yeah, there's just so much space. You can see there's beans, or this is groundnuts. There it's soya beans, sunflower. That other portion there, it's the other portion there that far. Let me just zoom. I can see maize there. One of the helpers of the one that utilizing that space because we had nothing to plant there. So the helpers just got it and planted his own maize. Yeah, which is good. Otherwise, it's gonna help him out for time when it's time to harvest. So just be easy. He just harvests his maize. It's up to him to sell it. Just gonna keep it for crushing, which is gonna save him from buying milli meal for his family. That's a good part of planting maize. The whole point is the whole point is crushing maize, and especially for us. For us, it's really important to always not miss out on every season to have maize because we provide as chickens. For village chickens, the farmers and crawlers. But for people to know the farmers and the crawlers, just say like look at village chickens. Yeah. So the maize does help. It helps because we crush it and mix it with the feed, which helps the chickens to gain fast and that's what people have been saying. People have been buying our chickens. They say our chickens taste very nice. That's a bit of because we add this and that. Yeah, the things that we planted, we add it and mix it with the feed. So, which makes us to focus more on farming, because farming is really helping us in both ways. Not only for home consumption, but on the animals that we're keeping, the broilers, crailers, so on. Yeah, so anyway, that's the reason for me. I think from my experience, I think farming is the best thing that one can do. If you just have enough space, you have enough space to, you know, you have enough space whereby you've got nothing to do with that space, or maybe you're thinking of building in the near future, but before you start building, you can use that space to farm. Yeah, plant your crops. You can plant your maize, you can plant whatever crop that you think is on market in your country, in your area, in your place, wherever. Yeah, and sometimes you know what's best. Yeah, especially when it comes to farming. Some people may not know, especially when it's plants or crops to deal with that are out of season. Yeah, like maize, for instance. For example, maize. For us, rainy season in Zambia mainly starts from November. November we start to prepare the field, then we plant, which is gonna take December, January, February, March, April, May. June we start to harvest. By June we start to harvest. Yeah. So which means the rainy season stops April. It completely stops raining. Yeah. So which means May, June, July, August, September, October. There's no rains. We don't have rains. Which means when you have maize, then which is out of season, then it's irrigation. Yeah, crops of irrigation. You start to irrigate. You just water your crops, which is also another investment, because crops that are out of season are even more expensive. Yeah, they're even more expensive because it's out of season, and people continuously eat maize. Like in our country, Zambia, people continuously eat maize. They never stop to eat fresh maize, and they never like stop buying the dry maize, because the dry maize is what makes the mini meal, whereby mini meal is bought on a daily basis. Yeah, so maize is a really important crop in Zambia. Yeah, you can just see how good it's looking. I love how this season, we thank God for the rains for this season. You can see it's really looking good. It's promising. It's really promising. So got two different types of maize this year. This is the white maize, then on the other side there is yellow maize. Can't even reach that side. Just can't walk through. I don't want to come out of the field itching, like an itchy body. Yeah, so those birds just scared me. I know. This is how a field looks like. It's like a mixed field, mixed farming. What's called, yeah, different crops, which I'm looking forward for us to start harvesting. Yeah. So guys, this is how good our field looks like. Yeah, and the beans as well. Soon the beans gonna start. You just see the flowers. You can see the flowers. see. Yeah, so for those who are interested in farming, it's never too late, guys. Just invest in farming. It's become like me, farm girl. It's really, really hard, yeah? It's really, really hard. It's a hot day. Let me pass through these beans. I hope I won't find any of those itchy things otherwise. Yeah. Rainy season always have grass, yeah? Just look how the grass has grown. So much grass. And you couldn't even feel that. I have to pass through here, but the grass is just too much. I'll go through this side next time when the road is cleared. Yeah, there's just too much grass. So much grass. Grass is even taller than me. Ish. Yeah, it's a hot day, guys. It's a very, very hot day. You can see this side. They're weeding. So they're weeding the helpers. The grass is just too much. You can see how good the field looks like in the background. Really looks good. So guys, this is what I had to show you. Like I always update you on how the field is coming up. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Help me reach that 1,000 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it. Yeah. So for me now, it's bye bye. Till next time. Till next time, guys. Until I show you and update you and everything. Yeah. Bye.